Hello dear friends, so welcome. In today's video I'm here to show you guys another staking platform that you can actually earn from. Now, as you can see rightly displayed on my screen, this is a live wallet account that I've actually been trading and earning from it. As you can see, I've made real-time withdrawals, as you can see rightly displayed on my screen. So quickly, what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to show you how you can get onboarded on this platform. Now, this platform is a stake to earn platform. It is called Polkadot. Now, first of all, what you need to do is to register with your email. You input a login password and then your security password. Please make sure you save down this detail. You can also register with your mobile number here. Just tap on this and you select your country code. Depending on any country you are watching this video from, you can register through that. For me, I already have an account, so all I'm just going to do is to quickly log in. I sign up using my email, so the next thing I'm going to do is to just input my security password and then I log in. Please make sure you note that this is a disclaimer. I'm not officially a financial advisor, so make sure that this video is made for educational purpose, and what I'm doing here, I'm just showing you the various means through which I earn. But in this video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from this platform. So first of all, once you register, you are just going to look through in this detail. Now you can just check through this. You can see you are going to be earning a daily yield of 7.5%. Now this is a stake to earn platform. Now let me just make you guys understand something. Now these platforms are actually not really long term in its nature, but this platform is supposed to last for at least, let's say, 30 days or more, so you could take advantage of it right now, so you could start earning. I'm making this video on the 2nd of May 2025, so immediately you are seeing this video, you could actually start registering on it and start to earn. So what you do here is that you are going to be staking for a duration, for a period of time, and you are going to be earning a percentage interest of that your staking amount on a daily basis. For example, now this is how to recharge. Now I want to make a withdrawal in this video, but I want to show you the different ways that you can earn. So let me just take this amount. Now you can see on my investment wallet I have around 25 USDT, and then the daily yield from that 25 USDT is around 3.55 USDT. So now let me stake this amount. I want to stake this 25. I'm going to be staking this for a period of 26 days. So I'm staking that 25, then I'll come here. Let me do it properly here. I see I'm staking 25 USDT for a period of 26 days. So what this signifies that in the next 26 days, I'm going to be earning around 3.55 USDT on a daily basis. Now, first off, in the first 7 days, I've already gotten my interest already. Then the next days, I'm just going to be expecting a good return of investment, that is ROI. Now you can see this is my staking. My staking is actually successful. You can see it rightly displayed here. My daily income is going to be 3.5. So let me just withdraw the one I have here before I show you guys the next process. Now first of all, I just need to do, I'm going to be making use of USDT BEP20 network. We have the BEP20 and then we have TRX, but for me I love to use your BEP20, but you can use whatsoever wallet address that you love. Everybody have their own self preference. Please make sure that you like and you comment, so that you can also always stay connected on videos as this, and so that you can always earn on platforms as this. So quickly, the next thing I'm going to do is just tap on all here, and then I input my login password. Remember, there is a login password and then there is a security password. So what you are going to be making use of here is the security password. It is with your security password that you are going to use to place withdrawal. As you can see right here, my withdrawal is successful, so I'm just going to go check it in the next couple of minutes so I can see for myself. Now if I come here and tap on staking, now let me show you guys, there are different ways for you to earn, and there are different staking rewards here. Let me show you guys something here so you can see there are different staking plans. So I come here again, Now this is how you are going to recharge. If you want to recharge on this platform, just come here and you tap on recharge. Now once you tap on recharge, you can make use of different USDT address. Now we have the BEP20 wallet address, we have the TRC20 network, we have TRX, we have BNB, we have BEP20 USDC. So for me, I love to use BEP20, but depends on your own favorites. Everybody have their own favorites when it comes to the type of network that they want to use when it comes to withdrawal, when it comes to deposit. I always love to make use of BEP20. Now depending on your own staking amount, you understand, it's going to our earning is going to differ. For me, I started with around 25 USD. Now this is what I'm going to let everyone know. Now if you are trying to make do of platforms as this, please make sure you are making use of funds that you are able to let go. You understand? I have to do this video in a very honest way. You understand? Now for example, let's say I want to go increase what I'm staking here. I can come here now. For example, let's say I'm going with 50 USDT, right? So if I go with 50 USDT, okay, this is it here. I come here, I say I'm going with 50 USDT, then I'm going with the duration of this you are going to choose is going to be 26. So now for somebody that is making use of 50 USDT, the person is going to be earning 7.10. So you can see your investment reward is going to differ. So maybe along the line, I think after making this video, I'm going to go increase my staking earning so I can earn much more better reward here. So you can also contact their customer support. The link to their customer support, I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video, and I'm going to drop it in the comment section. Now to contact their customer support, you can see this icon that I'm rotating right here, right? Once you click on your homepage, you find it. You just tap on here, then you tap on what DOH online consultation. It will bring you straight here. You can see their customer support is actually verified. You can also go access their channel. Just tap on follow.channel. You can see their channel here for yourself, so you can actually access them for yourself. So let's go confirm if our withdrawal has actually arrived. Remember how much we placed withdrawal, so let's check it for ourselves right here. Let's see. So you can see if we come here and then I refresh, you can see our withdrawal is successful. You can see the withdrawal that I placed. You can see our withdrawal actually arrived. You can see it has arrived. It has arrived and our balance has changed here. So quickly, let's do this. This is what you are going to be doing to earn, and we are going to be stacking a lot of USDT. Remember once again that I said you can also refer your friends to this platform. That is, if you care to, you can just come here and copy your referral link and refer your friends. But primarily, before you do all this referral stuff, please make sure that you yourself, you have a validation and you have started earning from the platform. So that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe.